Hey guys, it's X. So today I'm going to be making vegetarian burgers with Thousand Island dressing, pepper jack cheese, and sweet potato fries. So if you guys want to learn how to make this recipe, just keep on watching. So I already pre-chopped my red sweet potatoes, or yams, however you want to call them. So I'm just going to put olive oil on these with salt and pepper. I had two brioche buns, or brioche. Karen makes fun of me. I can't pronounce anything, even though English is my first language. So I'm going to warm them up a little bit in the saucepan. And I'm going to be using olive oil for this. And I don't know if I can angle this here so you can see what I'm doing. Hold on. Camera technical difficulties. Okay, so just put a little bit of olive oil in there. Oops, I said I was going to do the bun first, but I forgot. So I'm gonna throw these in there. I don't know why I just started cooking all of a sudden, because I'm actually not really good at cooking. But when you live on your own, you kind of have to make do. And Cameron and I will be moving in together hopefully next year after we get married. So since he's vegetarian, I kind of have to learn how to cook things that he can eat. So I'm just going to add some. So the recipe that I saw online, I believe, was Tasty's, and it did actually say to bake these, but the oven that I have right now sucks and it takes forever to heat up, and it's just more drama than I need. So I'd rather just do it on the stovetop. Sweet potato fries are done, so now I'm going to move on to the burgers, and these are, I believe, Life vegetarian burgers. So I warmed up the bread. I put pepper jack cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, and Thousand Island dressing. I did put a little bit of mustard and mayonnaise and spread it out on the bun. So this is what it looks like so far. When I was in nursing school, I was trying to be vegan, and I would try different types of vegan meats, and they were all just so horrible. And I feel like nowadays all the vegan meats that I have tried, or vegetarian meats that I have tried, are so much better and just taste quality wise. I've tried, my favorite so far has been the Simple Truth brand from Ralph's. I don't like the Beyond the Meat ground beef, like I've said before. I have tried, this is my first time trying the Light Life, because I heard it's really good, but I think nowadays it is just so much better than what it used to be. Okay guys, here is the finished product. I paired it with some peach black tea. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. It only took me less than 20 minutes to make. So, bon appetit!